Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is just a quick market review about what happened this week in NQ, how I see it and how I trade it. So let's get it in the daily. So we have these swings in here. So the role of zone is to put in a new high, right? And since we, after leaving zone, we tapped in the upper part of the zone, so expect some reactions at the 70, which you see what happened here. Almost got in below the 70, and after that on last Friday we closed it below the zone, so this will act as a flip. And what happened when we have a flip? What happened when we have a flip? We trade this flip to take this low or for a continuation in the trend. So this will act as zone, but we flip it. You get it, right? So this is what happened here. We traded below, came back on Monday, tap in at the 50, then on Tuesday we took the high of Monday and we started delivering that big red candle. We took this and we came on this fractal, which looks literally small, but this is just this. So we're taking this, which is from this point to this, and we apply the same thing that we applied here. So after taking that, and we're going to see it on low time frame why we didn't want to short from the 50 but instead from the 70 and above. And same thing, we're taking this to mitigate this zone in here, and I'm not expecting mitigation at the 50 since we did this, so I want to see full mitigation at this level. Let's go on the hourly time frame. So this is the zone, this is the flip zone, this is the first one. We barely tap in the 50. This is why on Tuesday we took the high of Monday in here. All right. So as you see, we came in, traded below, so this will become a flip, came back, we didn't trade at the 50, so expect price trade above the 50. What happened today? We took everything, every short out, every liquidity in here, in here, and then we started delivering from 1 p.m. to the lows. And as I said, I want to see price coming back here before thinking about longing or doing anything. And yeah, this is as simple as it gets, and this is really how I see price. This is the simplest way to see it and simplest way to trade it.